and must be let go, must be released. It is a fear, it is a speed bump that needs to be forgiven. Now, your divinity, you come from Eden. You are a great bird, giant bird. These are the avians. It's very much like the movie Maleficent and like the Lord of the Rings. What these birds do is they take, and it's so funny because it matches your first piece. They take people who are about to die, and like Frodo and Samwise Gamgee, who were about to die, and took them off the lava rocks and shifted them to the correct path. And even on when Gandalf was at the top of the tower, he was about to die, and here come the birds. Every time someone was about to die in the Lord of the Rings, here comes the birds to take them from death to life. And so that's what you do. And on the prior piece, there's a man next to you who seems to be heading toward death, and your energy and your divinity takes people who are on the precipice of death and helps them up, lift them up to life. It's so funny, I just had a dream about that last night too. It's so strange. You come from Eden, you are an Edenite, and you help to shift someone from death to life. I'll put more in the comments.
Think I'm getting butterflies, but it's really something telling me to run away. No, hey, low, baby, I'm the reason why hell's so hot. Inferno, baby, I'm the reason why that's so fun. Hell's so hot, oh so hot.
Does that look like an angel? Look at these clouds.